Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open Freeform and create a new board. Start with iCloud switched on so your work syncs across devices. Once done, pick a canvas size and orientation that matches your goal, because scale matters for layout and collaboration. You should add collaborators immediately when you want live input, and set permissions so everyone can edit or view. Make sure to name the board clearly. It helps when you have many boards and return later to continue work. You drag files and screenshots directly onto the board. Freeform places them where you drop them, so position matters. Once items are on the canvas, use sticky notes, shapes, and connectors to create a clear structure and show relationships. Group related items and lock finished elements to avoid accidental moves, and use layers or stacks to keep complexity manageable. Make sure to zoom and pan with two-finger gestures as you arrange. Consistent spacing. You invite collaborators through share and specify edit or view access so everyone knows their role. Once collaborators join, use comments and live edits to iterate quickly. When finished, export the board as PDF or PNG for distribution, or copy selected items into other apps for slides or notes. If syncing or saving fails, toggle iCloud off and on, restart Freeform, and verify you have iCloud storage available. This one troubleshooting step solves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.